All right, guys, here are some of the videos and the channels I watch all the time as a guy over 50. Whether you agree or not, I'm just throwing it out there. That's what YouTube and information's about. There's a whole bunch of it. Grab what you can. If it works for you, keep the stuff that works, get rid of the stuff that doesn't. What up, guys? It's time to watch some of the videos I watch, where I get some of my information and some of the things I like to try. Let's check this one out. This guy is awesome. I've been watching him for about almost a year now. Lots of great
Let's talk about some of the things that seem to work across the board to improve strength, improve hypertrophy, and improve nerve-to-muscle communication and performance. The first thing that's absolutely key for nerve-to-muscle communication and physical performance of any kind might not sound that exciting to you, but it is very exciting, and that's salt. Nerve cells, neurons, communicate with each other and communicate with muscle by electricity. But that electricity is generated by particular ions moving into and out of the neuron.
What I do is I listen to this in the background sometimes. I'll be working on something and I'll just have it blasting. Not blasting, but enough to where I can hear it over doing the dishes or whatever. And if something makes sense to me, or I've heard it 20 other times, I'll research it more and maybe try it out. But this is an important thing. If you watch this whole video, see it. And this guy is awesome. There's a great video of him with Rhonda Patrick, who I'll probably do a video on next. Here it is. She is awesome.
Podcast. I definitely do cold when I'm going to do a podcast, when I'm going to give a talk, or when I'm anxious. I need to make it more of a ritual. I love doing the sauna. I hate the cold. I hate it. Unless it's summertime. It's a lot easier for me to get in the cold in the summertime. But what I do love about the cold is how I feel after.
And the reason I started on this one is, look at the title, Micronutrients for Health and Longevity. And that's kind of what I'm about with my channel. It's not about getting ripped abs in your 50s. I'm 56. But it's about slowing down the aging process, being able to walk upstairs and not have to go to the doctors every 3 months for new pills. And
I feel less anxious. I feel good. I feel more focused, which is why I usually do it before any type of public speaking, or just when I'm just anxious. I'll just get in there. And so the 20 seconds at 49 degrees, I think it was 49 degrees Fahrenheit, was really a good.
Anyway, you can see this is a long one. That's the other thing I do. I never finish the whole video. This is almost 3 hours. I take it in increments. I absorb some information, move on, come back to it. I've got the history, continue browsing thing on my YouTube. You know, looking back, I've learned and tried a lot of stuff in the last 8 or so years. So anyway, just about more information. Grab that information, do with it what you can. And like I say, it's all about slowing down this aging process that we can never stop, but we can slow it down. So here's to these two. I will bring you more of the videos I tend to watch in the future.